Hello children, so we are back with lesson number 12 of your English grammar book, that is verbs. Are you ready children? Okay, let's see what are we going to learn in this interesting lesson. First part is meaning of verbs. Let's see what is the meaning. Verbs are action words. These words tell us what a person or thing does. Examples: the lady opens her umbrella. Tim walks very slowly. Shobha ran to the field. So what are the action words here children? All the words which are given in bold letters, bold ink, they are the action words. They are telling what the subjects or what the people or things are doing. Okay? Let's see what's next. Verbs that show the state of being of a person or a thing. What are we going to learn in this slide? Verbs that show the state of being of a person or a thing. State of being. What is the meaning? Let's see. Am, are, is. Verbs also show the state of being of a person or a thing. These verbs are am, is, are, and their past forms was and were. It means they are not used with the main verbs, but they are telling what the person or thing is or was. Okay, children? Examples: my neighbors are helpful. How are my neighbors? They are helpful. You can see after are no main verb is given, only state of being. How are they? How are the things? How are the people? It is a beautiful picture. It was hot yesterday. My brother and I were awake for a long time yesterday. I am sleepy today, but he is not. How was my brother and I awake for a long time yesterday? How was I feeling? I am sleepy today. He is not. So here after are, is, was, were, am, you can see main verbs are not given, only the state of being, how the things are, how is their state. Okay, if we say in Hindi, avastha. Okay children, so let's see what's in the next slide. Verbs that show what a person or thing owns or has. Yeah, owns or has means we are talking about the verbs which are telling you the possession. What are the verbs? Have, has, and the past form is had. Verbs also tell us about belonging or ownership. This is the third type we are talking about. Not third, second type in this slide. These verbs are has, have, and their past tense had. Examples: Shruti had a red ball. Okay. My friend has a pet dog named Terry. Radha and Meena have expensive dresses. Now you can see has, have, had. These are the verbs. But here also these verbs are not at all used to tell you the main action, or you can say they are not telling you the state of being. They are used to tell you the possession. They are the helping verbs, but here they are used as the possessive words. Okay? Yes, children? The verbs had, has, and have show that Shruti, my friend, and Radha and Meena own or possess. Okay? Sorry. Next you have helping verbs. Now how these verbs is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, how can they be used as helping verbs? Okay, it depends upon the usage in the sentences, how the verbs are used. Their names are their names are according to the usage in their sentences. Now, how can they be used as helping verbs? When we can call them helping verbs? Verbs can act as helping verbs to other verbs. Of course, their name is suggesting helping to other verbs. Examples: Shakti is singing a song. Now, they have eaten their lunch. He was driving the car. Children, now you can see here is, have, was. In the previous slides, we talked about the different way they are used in, yes, state of being and showing the possession. But here they are used with the main verbs as helping verbs. They are supporting them. If we say Shakti is singing a song, singing is the main verb and is tells you the present time. They are supporting the main verbs to tell the time period in which the action is happening, happened or will happen. Okay, children? Yes? Is singing means the action of singing is happening or in the continuation. They have eaten their lunch. It means they have eaten. Their lunch is eaten by them. Now they have finished their lunch. Okay? Past action over, but the relation is in the present. Have is used to tell you the present perfect tense. He was driving the car. Driving, it means ing form tells you the continuation of the action, but was tells you the past time. It means we are talking about driving, not in the present time. He was driving means driving was happening in the past time. Yes? Okay, let's see what's next. Don't forget some of the tips, some of the points which you should always keep in mind. Okay, children? So what points you are going to remember forever? Number one, this is the recap of the lesson. We are going to revise it. A verb tells us what a person or thing does, what a person or thing is, and what a person or thing has. Okay. Number two, am, are, is, was, and were are used to show the state of a person or a thing. Number three, have, has, and had are used to show what belongs to a person or thing. 4. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, and had also act as helping verbs. Okay, helping verbs means they are supporting the main verb to tell the time period. Okay. So children, I hope that you would keep all these important points in your mind and definitely would go for the exercise as well. Practice the exercise at your home independently, and if you face any query, any difficulty, definitely teacher would help you. So children, let's see what's there. So thank you for being with the teacher and hope that you would be practicing properly and keep your learning uh, continuous. Keep learning, keep growing, I would say. So children, we would meet in the next video with exciting learning part. Till then, stay blessed. Bye-bye.